Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling.
Hey my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome to another video. Over here we are doing all the things, everything that pertains to faith. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Cooking, cleaning, decor, organization, and family. If you are looking for some mojo to help you get a space in your home back together, or to just get started, if you are looking for a friend that will help you to get out of your funk, love you through it, pray with you through it, sit on that edge with you, go ahead and hit that subscribe, smash that like, and comment pink hearts. To my OGs and my news, I love you all. I appreciate all of you for being here and rocking with me through all of the things, the ups and the downs. You are the best part of my channel. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Yes, the Keurig is finally giving up the ghost, and so now I have to rearrange everything and create a new setup because the Keurig is done and the Hobby Lobby shelf is just going to take up space. So we're going to fix that. So if you see it in the last video and then see this video and be like, why did you do it again? This is exactly why I did it. Alright, let's do it.
They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Why is it that my husband is always trying to be so helpful when I didn't ask for it? Hey besties, there's a haul here full of stuff. From Giant Eagle, I picked up Cool Whip, 2 things of Oreos. One is plain, the other is chocolate cream. Then we got some hot and honey chicken breast. This is fried chicken breast, and this one is Bavarian ham. Sliced cheese, a gallon of milk, 2 things of eggnog, strawberry lemonade, and this is the raspberry lemonade. And I also picked up a dozen donuts. From Walmart, we picked up 2 of the antiseptic mouthwash. I got 2 of the citrate. We got 1 of the Arnica Epsom salt, and then I picked up a really big one over there. My husband bought me the cream Hello Kitty Winter Glow Spa set. I also picked up my Grinch Squishmallow. I also picked up some, husband needed protein, so we got these Ensure. These have 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. This is the cherry cheesecake and the cream strawberry. That's it from Walmart. From the Hallmark store, we went and got, it's the Christmas mug. It says, in a world full of Grinches, be a Griswold. If you know, you know. If you know what a Griswold is, drop it down in the comments. And then there's I'm a Real Grinch Before Coffee. And then the other one is Merry whatever and happy go away. That's all we got from the Hallmark store. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up this wreath. I'm gonna try to put it out on my door, but I'll probably put it on the inside. And 2 signs. This one says welcome. Fa-la-la-la-la, with the cute little gnome. Isn't it cute? That's from the Dollar Tree, the plus size. And from, what is it? GameStop, I got me the Harley Quinn. Just a stuffed animal. But I like Harley Quinn, so I got that one. And this is Cinema Roll, right? But this was a Care Bear collaboration with Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
So it's Cinema Roll in
one of the Care Bears.
Oh, I can't remember which one this is. Heart Bear, I think. What is she?
Love a lot bear.
Loves a lot. It's so cute. Isn't that so cute? I love it.
Adorable.
Person bought me this one and the Hello Kitty. The Harley Quinn. And I got me the Loungefly Sanrio. This is a wallet. And no, I did not get the matching bag because I didn't like the matching bag. Hey, my bestie. So this is future editing myself. To let you guys know, this bag, I did purchase this bag. I purchased a couple of things and they all went back because your girl just went a little crazy in the store and, forgot that she had other things to do. It happens. It happens to all of us. I overspent. Christmas season, being happy and jolly, I spent too much. So that's all for the haul. So right here, I purchased another cube organizer. It was the 8 cube organizer because my plan was to put this in the hallway, put my husband's stuff in it so that I could put a Christmas tree in my living room. But as you'll see later, it did not fit in the hallway. So now I'm using it as a part of my office setup. It's a whole thing, but you'll see that get rearranged in a few videos from now because also the refrigerator is going back because I no longer need the refrigerator. It's no longer serving me the purpose that I need it to serve, so that's going to be gone. So you'll see that in later videos this month because your girl is decorating for Christmas. I'm doing it very slowly. I'm taking my time, so by the time everybody else has already decorated and looked at everything, I probably will not be finished, but that's neither here nor there. Back to what we were talking about. So the cube organizer, I put it together, and then when I put it in the space, it didn't work, so I had to move that. So now that we had to kind of like switch up how we were going to decorate for Christmas, and you'll see that in next week's video when I put that out, how we decorated for Christmas.
Thank you for being here with me and hanging out with me. I pray that you got something accomplished, you had a good time, maybe even learned something new. Thank you again. I love you. I'm glad you're here. Don't forget to smash that like and hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. And I will catch you in the next one.